Okay, so let's continue the Linux. Okay, so some of the steps I'll tell you again. Most probably, I think there'll be around 2 to 3 Linux classes. Maybe I think today it will not finish. Maybe next class or probably after that it will be finished. Okay, fine. Okay, so after that we'll continue. If you remember, I told you how to create the directory. Okay, one second. I think it's the one. Okay, it's the same one which is already there. Okay, I just now checked it. Okay, it's already done. Good. mkdir. Okay, and if I'll create the EBC, this is the one. Okay, if I'll do ls hyphen lrt, yes, sir. Now what if now again you have to go to, if you have to create the one more directory, right? Inside, if you go inside ABC, uh, a. So what I'm doing now, I'm not pressing anything. I'm just pressing A and using tab. So whatever the directories will be there, which start with A, it will automatically fetch. So I'm just putting tab. It's coming on. See, I'll show one k dir A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now I've created one more directory. Now if I do ls hyphen lrt hyphen lrt, so we got A, B, C and A, B, C, D. So okay, now if I do have to do A, so you see what will come. It will restrict till ABC only because now that compiler doesn't know which directory it needs to go, whether ABC or ABCD. Okay, you will see. Okay, I'm just press. I typed A and now I'm pressing tab key. Okay, now I'm not doing anything. I'm just pressing tab. So it stuck till ABC. So because now compiler doesn't know which one it needs to go. So even if you have one more directory A B C D F X Y Z something like that, okay, it will have. So you don't know. So you have to give one. So you have to give more clarification. Now if you'll do D, I'm pressing D. So now it knows where it has to go. So I will press D. You don't have to enter the full name. So I just press D, so it automatically goes. Okay, now you have to ABCD. Now again you have to directory mkdir XYZ. Okay, now again you have now you're going to the XYZ. You get one second, I'll show you. ls hyphen lr hyphen lrt. If you see XYZ, now go inside XYZ. Okay, now if you again you have to do mkdir uh, 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 MNP. Okay, this is the one directory ls hyphen lrt. So if you see there is a structure. Okay, inside. Okay, welcome. I will show you one more ls hyphen lrt. Okay, this is the one, and we'll tree. I don't think we have right now. So let's install that. So, install install tree. So tree will what it'll do now? It'll show the structure actually.
Okay.
You will see how it is coming. It's showing the structure. Okay. So ABC doesn't have
Okay.
anything. ABCDF has having all the relative which I created. ABCDF is XY, MNP, all the things. In paid directory, you have file 5, file 7, which you remember in the last class we discussed this. Okay. This is the one. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I have to create multiple directories in a single line, okay, in a single line, what you'll do? I'll do DEF XYZ, press ABC, or whatever you name you can give. Okay. Now if you do, if okay, if you see, I will show you one second. ls hyphen lrt. So you can see here, I created df directory just now. Okay. Now if you press tree, we'll see all the directories created on in a single line. So earlier
Okay.
what I used, I created one by one. I go inside the directory, I created one more directory, one more directory, one more directory. But here it's not happening like this. Okay. I'm just created the all this directory in a single line. So you have to use hyphen p. Okay, and this is one of the interview questions. They ask like how to create the multiple directories. So you can use kdir hyphen p, and this is how you have to do. You can do that. Okay. Now,
Okay.
okay, and one important concept which I forgot to tell last time. I think since we are discussing the file, so ls hyphen lrt. So you can see here some files are there, a message.txt. Okay. Now, what if I have to create some hidden files? Because that is one of the very important interview questions. They usually they ask like how to create the hidden files. Okay. So you all you have to do is
Okay.
like, okay. So touch you know like how to create the file. Okay, touch dot. I'll say file1 dot txt. So you have to use dot. The moment you use dot, it becomes hidden file. Okay. Now if I do ls hyphen lrt, like lrt, you can see the file is not there. That dot file is not there. Okay. Now if I have to see that file, what are you going to do? ls hyphen a. Oh, ls hyphen a. You can see here. Wait. I can see all those stuff.
Okay.
You can see all those things. There, everything is there. Where is that file? Yeah, see here. This is the file I was talking about. Okay. So just now I created this file hyphen al. So this is a listed file. All the a is nothing but hidden file. Okay. This is how you have to do it. Okay. This is
Yeah.
one of the important concept, and like it's very important. Now one more thing. If I have to create some multiple directories, okay, and just now we discussed that, but I'll show you one more way. If I have to create C A B C, if I have to create 10 directories, okay, so I'll use, okay, 2 dot and then 10. Now, this is the one, okay, AB, MKDAR, this is the way you have to do it. And if I do enter, okay, now, if I see, you'll see here, what I see, what has happened now. They have created multiple directories ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, ABC4, ABC5 till 10. It is all there. It's created on it in the same location. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Okay, now, uh, what else? This thing, what else? Yeah, you check it. I think note is there. Um, which is important. Mm. If I have to remove the directory, rm hyphen rf, okay. So you can do like
Okay.
a abc. So it is gone. I have removed this one abc. Okay, this is how you have removed it. Now if I do ls hyphen
Okay.
lrt, okay. So you can see that abc is not there. Again, if I do now if I do rm, you can do remove the thing. I show you. So you can see RM cannot remove a directory. It cannot remove this because it is a directory. Okay. With RM, we can just remove the file. File. Okay. So my file is gone. But for directory, it is RM hyphen RF. So it's removing forcefully. F is nothing but forcefully. And then I can just give the directory name ABC. This is how I have to remove it. Okay. This is one way. Now come to the some okay. And, the file is there. The message is there. No? Cat. If I think you know it how to see the content. Now I think you know it. Okay, get message.txt. These are the stuff. Okay. Now if I have to see the file, only the last line file. Okay, last line only. Okay, tail. I mean message. Okay, so uh,
So cat till message dot text is a code.
sorry, what is saying?
This cat
Huh?
hyphen tail.
Huh?
So this is the command to get the directories.
No. Cat is just to see the content of it. Cat. If
Okay.
in the last I discussed it. See, I'll show you.
Yes.
One second. I'll show you. ls hyphen lrt. Okay. So what is this? This thing. Pay message is there. No? So if I have to see the content of it, mess message.txt. If I see the content, it just I did cat. Cat means it will show the content of any file, not the directory, only
Okay.
the file, only the file.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Sorry, my bad. I was doing something wrong. I using cat and tail both. Anyway, for the thing, we'll use cat message. That's our tail message. Okay. If you see here, what has happened? Last, it will tail means what? The backend. So that means it will show us the last 10 lines of our file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, if you see here, this thing it's not coming. Good morning, fellas. Welcome to DevOps. Good evening. These are not coming. It will take taking only the last 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You getting? So it will only
Yeah.
show the last 10 lines. And this is also one of the, like, in the Linux part, like, because as I told you earlier, like, whenever we talk about the DevOps and all, at that point of time, what is going to happen, they consider everything, whether the guy knows the Linux thing, whether the guy knows this, because Linux administrator or also like part of the this cloud stuff and all. Because that's the reason, like, you should know everything. If you're not, if you don't know these things and all, they won't consider. Because the problem is not the problem. It's like, you these are all the prerequisites. You should know the Linux and all. So that is the reason, like, we are. I'm telling you all these commands, and these are all our interview questions. Okay, whatever the question they have asked, I'm completely like, focusing on only on those parts, because there are Linux is like, it's like an ocean. We cannot cover those things. But I'm just focusing on, like, I'm just covering bits and pieces so that you will be aware of it. And anyways, when you will start doing the practice and all, you'll come to know what are the commands will be there. So these are how the commands and all will be there. Okay. So if I have to,
Okay.
okay, if I see cat message for txt, if I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so now I'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till Java. Okay. So I now will use head file dot, sorry, not message, no, message dot txt. If I see, you can see here the top 10 starting line. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the one of the things. And what else? What else? Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the some of the, like, the commands. Okay. So this one you already know. I think I shown you in this thing. What you call in the while doing practicing in the this thing. Uh, so here you're checking your host name. So these are the host names. Three host name you can commit. Okay. If config, if I think through the IP directory, the IP you can find out. Okay. These are all your IPs. Okay. I think these are all the private IP. If you see, uh, 172, see private IPs now. You're able to see the config. Okay. Now, uh, the one which I think Yum you already know, right? Yum, how we used to manage the services. Now the question comes now, with Yum, they're gonna ask, like, how to manage your service. So you have to use the through service command. How to, okay, I'll show you. HTTPD dot HTTPD hyphen y. Okay, so this is the one. So now they can ask, like, how to manage the service. So this is the command.
Okay.
हाँ ठाकुर, हेलो.
Come.
हाँ,
Come in.
थोड़ी देर में कॉल करता हूँ. कॉल में हूँ. अरे थोड़ी देर में कॉल करता हूँ, उसी बता रहा हूँ, इंपॉर्टेंट है. थोड़ी देर में कॉल. हाँ ठीक है. ओके. मैं करता हूँ 15-20 मिनट में कॉल करता हूँ. चलो. सॉरी सॉरी धीरेन्द्र भाई. ओके. सो
No problem.
सो
So yum install httpd hyphen y is a command.
yeah, this is the one which you have to use. Yeah, like, how to install the command and all. So these are services you have to put it here. Okay, HTTPD. And the yum is, like, the if you remember, I already used it. If you remember, whenever you have to do the index.html, var www.html, at that point of time you have used it. It's like Apache server. Okay. And
Okay.
the question which comes is, like, how you going to manage your service. So you have to use a service command. Okay. So you have to check your, like, this thing, what is the status right now. Okay. You will see status. So this is the how you have to manage your service, the service name, and then status.
Okay.
You will see here it's coming. See the active, it is active. Okay. So control Z, control C, and put it now. This one. Now if I service HTTPD stop. So it's coming access denied. Sudo. Okay. Rewrite it. It's now. Okay. Now if again I check the service, you see here it's becomes inactive. You getting all this. Now it is dead.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So these are the stuffs and all.
Going the services history.
Yeah. So this is the one. Yeah. So if it is, this is the one. start, oh, start, and then service, uh, system CTL, HTTP enable. One, I did not. I did not start it. Yeah, I did not start it. Right? Just denied it. Yeah, now it started. Okay, now it started. If I do service HTTPD status, now you can see it is active. Okay, it is running now. This is the one. Now what else? This thing is covered. This is you don't have the notes now. This thing Linux. Linux.
Whatever the notes you have sent me for PDF, I have all those things.
Yeah, no, I think for Linux, I think you have prepared the notes. You have to take the xerox of it. So next time if I'll meet, I'll get that. I think the Shaisa is having I guess. So you can okay. So this thing on. Okay. Okay.
ठीक.
Okay. Okay. Let's go for the Yankee. You just remind me, okay, next time if you'll come somewhere here or just something like that, if you're coming to that place, okay, just remind me the Linux block. Because actually the thing is like, no, this thing doesn't have the PDF. I have prepared the notes on my, I have the all handwritten notes is there. So you have, all you have to do is just take the xerox, okay? Then nothing else. I
Sure,
think
sure, definitely.
Shaista is having, so you don't worry because I'm just checking all the notes only. So the notes only I'm doing it. What are the things are not. So you don't worry at all. Okay, it's very simple and clear. I'm just telling you, giving the break since you are new to this, so that's the reason. Like I'm giving the heads up and all, so that it'll be easy for you. Okay.
No problem.
Okay. So yeah, cat message dot txt. Okay. Now I will go again to the message. Okay. Now we'll go into the message. Vi and message dot txt. Now this one. Now what will happen? Okay. So if I have to remove some of the files, okay. Now I want to remove the last two lines. Okay. The table and chair. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is escape. I'm pressing escape. Okay. I'm speaking loud and clear. Escape. Okay. And then D. See that line goes off. Okay. So now if I
Escape and D.
yeah, statement DD is gone. Okay. I'll show you one second. Hello. One. Okay. Now if something comes up and you come to know like okay, this is the error. Okay, now what are you gonna do? So it comes here. Escape DD. Okay. I'm pressing again, I'm telling you, escape, escape, and DD.
DD.
You have to press both the D.
Okay.
Okay, it goes on. Now if you have to do
Simultaneously, I have to tap on those
absolutely,
buttons.
absolutely DD, you have to press both them. DD. Okay. Now if you have to remove four lines, let's go not four, let's go two only. Two lines, reception and chair. What I'm gonna do, escape. Okay, it's already in escape mode. Okay, escape. Now you have to remove reception and chair. You getting what? Reception in both the lines. Now if I do two D, you got it? What I did? Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Got it, got it.
okay.
Twice I have to press DD.
Yes, escape. Okay, I'm pressing DD. It for one line. One line. Okay, one line. Now, but if I have to do for this thing, two lines, escape to DD, it will remove two lines.
Okay, okay. I got it, I got it.
You get it? And I'm pressing it here.
Understood, I got it.
I'm pressing it's alphabetical two. I'm pressing and simultaneously I'm pressing DD as well. I
How
hope
do I
now.
press escape 2 and DD at the on all the three buttons at the same time?
Yes. No, no, no. Just this is a good thing. So you have to press two separately and then DD.
Okay.
Okay.
And escape only once. I have to press and I have
Escape. Yes,
leave it,
yes, yes.
right?
Just escape once and then escape. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, absolutely. Escape once, leave the line, then come to two, press two, and then come to alphabetical DD.
DD. DD.
Okay.
Then it will go two lines. If you want to delete two lines, I have to
Yeah,
add two. If I want to three lines, I have to add three.
absolutely. Now, if you have to remove the three lines, what you just said, three lines. What are you gonna do then? Tell me.
Three lines, I have to escape. Three.
Hmm.
DD.
Barabar. Three. I'm pressing three and DD. It goes off.
DD.
You get it? I think now things are
Yeah,
clear.
got it.
You get it now?
Yeah, understood.
Get the T. Okay. Uh, T. Now, this is the one. Now, okay. Now what will happen? Now you have to there's some, because sometimes see here it is. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do here. See, because I'm using word here, but in the company you won't get the word. There'll be some, like, there'll be some multiple lines. There'll be like 10 lines of code. Fellow cricket XYZ blah blah blah. Up to here it will, up to here it goes off and on and all that. So you can't copy this thing like this, no. So that is the reason you have to do this. Okay. Now if I have to copy this one line, so what you have to do? Okay. So what I'm going to do, escape, bye bye, and once it come here and just press 1 second, sorry, P. Okay, okay, 1 second, I'll show you 1 second. Escape, insert, escape. Okay, now what I'm going to do, uh I'm I'll copy this line. Imagine in the company you have there is huge line. So what you have to copy
Okay.
this to the next line. Escape, bye bye, bye bye, and press P. It comes.
Okay.
So you copy it. The file got copied. Okay.
Escape
Now,
YYP.
yes, absolutely. Okay. Now, if you have to, yeah, escape. Why? You don't worry. This thing, its notes will be, its notes already there. Okay. You don't worry at all. You don't have to prepare the notes. Linux is already there. The thing is like now, it's this thing handwritten notes. Then right. The only problem, it's all the handwritten. So I can't. If you want, I can click the picture and can send it to you. But it's if you'll go with my statement, it's better you take the Xerox because
I'll go with your suggestions.
I'll give you the Xerox. Okay. Sometimes I'll give it to you. Don't worry. It's already there. It just need to I have to.
Inshallah.
Okay. So this one. No. Okay. And coming to, so don't even think like you have to prepare the note something like that. It's already there. Okay. I will just now
I'll do that.
coming to this. Okay. Now if you do, if you have to copy from T to Bangalore. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. How many lines are there? From T to Bangalore. Five lines are there. Right.
Five, five,
Yeah. Escape.
five,
Five.
YYP.
Barabar. And then what you have to do? You come here and press P. That's it. I've pressed P for pasting. I pressed P, and wherever you want the file, you just press it. I hope
Okay.
now things are clear. Things are a bit clear now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? Let's do some of this. Um, one of the very important concepts. Okay. There's also important concept here. I forgot. Uh, I have to. Okay. Okay. So cat hyphen etc hyphen pa pass directory. This is how you, where you can see the user. You can see. Remember how we used to log into this user? How we used to log into this particular server? You remember how I used to do that?
Yes.
Through what user I used? I used username. Tell me. Ayo.
Username we use key pair, security group.
No, username. User. If you remember. Right now they have connected directly. Right now they connected directly through this connect. But if you remember,
Okay.
putting.
Putty.
Yeah.
Browsing. We used to
No,
browse.
no. Listen to it. See here, the host name. The okay. One. Sure.
IP address. Public IP address or private IP address.
Don't shoot in the dark, Dhiren bhai. You know it, then tell me. Don't please don't tell me don't know that. It's okay. Okay, don't shoot in the dark. Please, my humble request. Please don't ever do that. See, login
I didn't
and
get you.
that's all. If you don't know, ask me again. What's wrong with that? If you don't know, you please ask me. What's wrong in that? But don't
नहीं मैं देख
ask.
रहा हूँ. I'm just figuring out. So what is the thing? No, you already taught me.
No, no. See, it's okay. It's absolutely fine. I can understand this is completely new scenario for you.
EC2 user, EC2 user,
Finally, you're telling me. Okay,
EC2
you're
user.
you're telling everything. IP address, this
No,
and that.
EC2 user I know because I already
Uh,
day before yesterday I practiced this
yeah,
thing.
absolutely. EC2 user. That is the EC2 user. Login as EC2 user. So it is. I'm not use the key pair. That is the reason it's coming like this. Okay. So that is I'm not. So
Got
login as what? EC2 user. You get it?
EC2 user,
Yeah,
yeah.
absolutely. Okay. You don't ever do that, please. Okay. You don't know, please tell
Yeah.
me. Don't know. Don't do this. It actually discourages me. When
See,
I think like I've taught you this thing and now you're telling me you don't know this. And imagine we have taken almost like you only telling me 30 classes we have took almost now you're telling me like you don't know the username. It actually put question
I
mark
know. See, I was knowing about it. EC2.
actually put question mark on
I
me
just
like
got
whether
confused.
where I have gone wrong. Okay, please don't ever do that. My humble request. If you don't know, please tell me don't
Okay,
know.
sorry about that.
No, no,
Sorry, really
no, no,
sorry about
no. Don't say sorry. I'm just telling. Okay, you don't know. Please tell me. Okay. So if you see here,
that. See.
these are the usernames. Okay. So if I see here, if
Mm,
you just now read cat etc password, this is a file. Okay, this is a file name. So if I put it, you can see here EC2 user. Okay, this is you can get it. Okay.
okay.
Now if I do it, I have to. This is one of the important interview question. Okay, how to add the user? They say. Okay, they're gonna ask like how to add the user. Should say okay. I can see Sunny. User add Sunny. Ayyo, sudo user add su and then what? Okay. So this is one of the interview question. How they gonna ask like, how to add the user because see the scenario is what says no in interview you are not going to use see we are not going to use as a root director route management. Okay, you're going to use as a like Duran. What are the things will be there? What are the user will be there? Sayyid will be there. Duran will be Sunny will be there. All the things will be there. So they create the user for you, and then only based on that you want to work on your console. Imagine this is my console in the company. I'm gonna work as a Sunny. Okay, if I'll do SU Sunny. Okay, the password we have not fixed it. I'm gonna show you one. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, now if I do so okay one. Yeah. Now, if I see, if you remember that this is the one thing to the easy to user over there. Okay. Now, if I do cat easy password,
Okay.
you can see here the one more user created that's Sunny. Okay. This one. Now, if I have to give the password for Sunny, okay, one second. PASSWDSU and then it's Sunny. Okay. Just press enter. Okay. I'm switching to user. Sudo SU I'm doing. Okay. Sudo SU. Now it will be easier for you. Okay. Now if I do pass WD as you can see here what why I switch to the user. You can see here why this only root can specify a username and the password for the password part. Okay, that is the reason I switch to the user. Okay, now
Okay.
okay PASSWD Sunny. Now I just give any pass. I'm pressing 1 2 3 4. I'm just I did okay. You can't see that the password. You can't see that, but I'm giving 1 2 3 4.
Okay.
So, okay, password alternate tokens updated successfully. This is how we give the username and this is how we give the password. Now, if you have to switch to the Sunny, what are you going to do? You can see here. Earlier it was root, now I want to Sunny.
Got it.
Got it? So, this is very important
Yeah.
question, okay? And this is the one, this is done. This is very important concept. This is very important concept. The file permission and how to change the permission of a file on or a directory. Okay, how to change that this thing. Okay, now okay, ls hyphen lrt. This is the stuff and all. Okay, this is very important also, which I'm
Okay.
going to tell. Okay, if you see here, these are all the like permission. So remember, these are all their permission. Okay, for IT tags, if you remember what I told you, D nothing but directory. If there will be no D, that means it's a file. Message.txt, you can see here there is no nothing is there, right? So that means there is no the D is not there. That means it's not a directory. Okay. Now what? RWX. RWX, sorry, RWX, okay, RX, and RX. Okay, now let's come to this is very important concept. They 99% time they're gonna ask this question. Which is the correct paint?
Okay.
If you have any doubt, please ask me over and over again. Unless you don't understand this concept, will not at least this is the last concept for the day. Until this not understood this concept, please tell me, okay? And then only will
Yeah, I didn't understood this last one. This the RDX, RX.
if you please ask me multiple times. If you don't understand, please don't tell me, okay? Please tell me you don't understand. Simple. If you understand, it's because as far as interview question is concerned, this is very important. I must say very
Sure,
important. Okay.
sure.
Okay. One second. Copy.
So LS and LS hyphen LRT. The moment we put this command, we get all the directories.
One second. Okay. Yeah. Now tell me. You're saying something. Please tell me. Yeah. Sorry.
I was
I
saying
copy.
ls
Yeah.
hyphen LRT. This
Mm-hmm.
command when we type,
Mm-hmm.
so we get all the directories, right?
No, not just the directory. It's showing you the file as well. See the file as you can see with the directory. See, I'll show you. One second. It's a good question. See, LS will put it. See, I'm not getting all those details. If you remember, one second, I'll show you one. Uh, wait, uh, here we go. Okay. Now, if we'll come here, if we'll see, oh, okay, this is the one. So, if you see here, what is the thing? See here, view. So here it's coming what? Details is there, the list is there, small icon,
Details
medium
list.
is not. Yeah. So if I do the list, so it comes in form of list. Okay, it will do the details, it's coming all the forms as a detail. Right? You're getting all the things. Okay. So this is
Understood.
this yeah, so you're getting all the details as well. In the very same way, when it comes to the details, ls it will list out all the files. Okay. And if we'll do the ls hyphen lrt, so what will happen? This thing. So what do you call? All those list all the root with the timestamp. Nothing but t the timestamp. It will show you the timestamp when it was created. Okay. The rights, all those things it will show. So you can see here. This is what I was saying, and it's just not list of only the directories. It will show you the files. Yeah. If you want to see that this thing, the hidden files as well, what are you gonna do then? Add a. You can see
Okay.
all the hidden files as well. So it's not just restricted to the your files. Any other doubt? You getting things are clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Let's come here. Okay, this is a very important concept. Okay, so this is the one which I just copied. I didn't do anything. I just copied this stuff. And remember one more thing. If this what do you call it, this meeting gets over, please join once because I don't think we're within 5 minutes still left. I don't think within 5 minutes going to we can cover it. Probably I think it needs some kind of explanation. Okay.
No worries.
Fine. Okay. So this is the one. It won't take too much time. Probably 10 to 15 minutes take, and we'll wrap it up. Okay. I'll try to finish it within under 10 minutes. This is a directory RWX, RWX, and RW. Okay. This is the one. Now we'll
Okay.
come to this part. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll try to detach little bit. I'm just trying to detach, so it'll be easier for you to track. Okay. Now this is the one. So for my directory IT tag, these are my permissions. Now what is the permission? Okay. Now what permission means like the user which is there, user who's working on it, the user who is working on the IT tag IT tags directory. So what permission does he or she have to perform the action? Okay. So what is meaning of this? Now come to this thing. Now. This is owner, right, owner, owner, or you can say user. Okay. This will be your group. I'll show you what it is. group. Please pay attention. Okay, very very important, very very important,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they
Yes,
okay
yes, that's the
okay
yes.
okay, because they're gonna ask. I'm quite sure if they ask me about Linux, this is the like topmost the question, the how what are the permissions and how you manage the permissions. Okay, now now it's coming 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Ayo,
Ayyo.
4, 2, 1. Yeah, so this is the one. Okay, so if you add up here, what will come? What is coming? 4 to 1. What the number will come? 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus
No,
1 7. Right? Right?
okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes, correct. 7.
Right? Now it will come to here. So what is this thing? So here it is. RWS is for read is nothing but okay. This is also I have to explain one second. R read, W is write, and X is nothing but execute. Okay, that suffice the RWS. Now you are now you're getting what are the things in order will be there. Now what are the things in here?
Read, write, and execute.
Yeah. So I'm just putting the date so that not the session will not end. Okay. Sometimes it gets disconnected. That's the reason I just put that date. Okay. This is the one. So see RWX, RWX, and what is the like user right now we have root. Okay.
Root at the
Root.
IP.
Who am I? I'm the root. There's also
Root.
one command. So through there you can find out who is the user, who is operating on this
Okay.
system. Okay. The root.
Okay.
So RWX, RX, RX. So that means what? If we'll come here, what is what we can understand here? The user who is operating on this, he's having this permission. The owner, he's having the all the permission. Execute. The group under the group, if we're adding to the group, that means that group is having only the 4 plus 2, 4 and 2, 4 and 5. Means what? Read and execute
Read
permission.
and execute. Execute
Permission.
permissions.
Okay.
Got
When it
it.
comes to this thing here, read
They have
and
only 4 and
1 again.
4
So
and
it
1 is equal to read and execute.
so
Got
okay,
it.
so
4 and
okay,
4.
yeah, and if you do 4 and 1, how much it add up?
5.
5, 5. The very same way here,
5.
5. Okay, so that is the thing. When you come to this part, what